Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Headlight not working? Here's your ultimate inspection guide. Have you ever driven at night and noticed one of your headlights wasn't working? Not only is that dangerous, but it can also get you pulled over. Working headlights are essential for safety and compliance with the law. When a headlight goes out, it can be due to a variety of issues, from a blown bulb to a faulty connection. This guide will walk you through common causes and help you troubleshoot and fix the problem quickly. By the end, you'll know exactly what to check and how to get your headlights shining brightly again. Common reasons why a headlight might stop working. When your headlight goes out, it can be more than just a minor annoyance. It compromises your safety and may result in a ticket. There are a few common reasons why a headlight might stop working. Understanding these can help you diagnose and fix the issue more efficiently. Burnt-out bulb. A burnt-out bulb is the most common reason a headlight stops working. Identifying a burnt-out bulb is straightforward if you know what to look for. When one headlight is significantly dimmer or completely out, the bulb is likely burnt out. Causes include age and usage. Bulbs have a defined lifespan. The more you use them, the faster they wear out. Vibration. Rough roads can jostle the filament inside the bulb, causing it to break sooner. Moisture. Water entering the headlight housing can cause the bulb to short out. To check for a burnt-out bulb, simply turn on your headlights and see if one is noticeably dimmer or off. If so, it's time to replace the bulb. Blown fuse. A blown fuse can also cause your headlight to stop working. Fuses act as safety devices that protect the electrical components from surges. Signs of a blown fuse include both headlights out. If both headlights stop working simultaneously, a blown fuse is a likely culprit. Other electrical issues. Interior lights or other electrical features might also be affected. To check if a fuse is blown, locate the fuse box, usually under the hood or below the dashboard. Find the headlight fuse and inspect it. If the metal wire inside is broken or burnt, replace the fuse with one of the same amperage. Faulty wiring. Faulty wiring can cause intermittent issues that are harder to diagnose. Symptoms of faulty wiring include flickering lights. If your headlights flicker, it could be due to loose or corroded wiring. Inconsistent performance. Sometimes the headlights work, and other times they don't, pointing to a possible wiring issue. Burning smell. A slight burning smell might indicate overheating wires. Diagnosing faulty wiring often requires a multimeter and some patience. Check the wires for any signs of damage or wear and ensure connections are secure. Bad headlight switch. A bad headlight switch can prevent your headlights from turning on. The switch, located inside your car, is responsible for activating your lights. Indications of a faulty switch include no response. Turning the switch does nothing for your headlights. Partial failure. The parking lights work, but the headlights don't. Intermittent failure. Sometimes the headlights work, sometimes they don't, showing the switch might be faulty. To test the switch, you can use a multimeter or simply replace the switch if you suspect it's the problem. Faulty relay. A relay helps control the high current needed for the headlights using a small current. It acts as a bridge between your car's battery and the headlights. The signs of a faulty relay are headlights don't turn on. If the relay fails, your headlights won't receive power. Clicking sound. A clicking noise from the fuse box area when turning on the lights can indicate a failing relay. Intermittent light. The headlights go on and off unpredictably. You can check the relay by swapping it with another that has the same part number. If the headlights work with the new relay, the original relay was the problem. Step-by-step inspection guide. When your headlight isn't working, figuring out the problem might seem daunting. However, with a bit of guidance, you can systematically inspect and solve the issue. Follow these steps to ensure your headlights are back in working order. Safety precautions. Before you start inspecting your headlights, it's important to follow some key safety tips. Turn off the engine. Make sure your car is turned off and the keys are removed. Disconnect the battery. To avoid electrical shocks, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Wear safety gloves and glasses. Protect your hands and eyes from potential hazards like sharp objects and electrical components. Work in a well-lit area. Good lighting ensures you can see what you're doing and reduces the risk of accidents. Keep flammable materials away. Avoid working near flammable liquids as sparks can cause fires. Tools needed. You'll need some basic tools to inspect your headlights. Having these on hand will make the process smoother. Screwdrivers, flat and Phillips, pliers, multimeter replacement, headlight bulbs, fuse puller, electrical tape, gloves and safety glasses, battery terminal wrench. Visual inspection. Start with a thorough visual inspection of the headlight components. Here's how you can do it. Examine the headlight lens. Look for any cracks or moisture inside the headlight lens. Water can short out the bulb. Inspect bulb condition. Check if the bulb looks burnt or damaged. A blackened bulb usually means it's burnt out. Check headlight housing. Ensure the housing is intact and not loose. Loose housing can cause the bulb to vibrate and fail sooner. That wraps up part 1 of our headlight inspection guide. We hope you found these troubleshooting tips helpful. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into advanced diagnostics and repairs. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.